Overcoming Financial Problems in Relationships, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our video on addressing financial problems in relationships. Money issues can put a lot of stress on a relationship, leading to disagreements and financial insecurity. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide for couples to overcome financial problems and achieve financial stability and security in their relationship. Step 1. Identify the root of the problem. The first step in addressing financial problems is to identify the root of the problem. This may be due to a lack of communication, different spending habits, or unexpected expenses. It's important to understand the underlying cause of the financial problems in order to effectively address them. Step 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is key to addressing financial problems in a relationship. This means being transparent about your finances, discussing your financial goals, and working together to create a budget. It's important to establish trust and build a sense of security in the relationship when it comes to finances. Step 3. Set financial goals and create a budget. Setting financial goals and creating a budget is an important step in addressing financial problems. This means setting short-term and long-term financial goals and creating a budget that reflects those goals. It's important to make sure both partners are on the same page when it comes to finances and to have a plan in place. Step 4. Prioritize saving and investing. Saving and investing is essential for financial stability and security. This means setting aside money for emergencies and making sure you're saving for your future. It's also important to invest in your future, whether it's through retirement accounts or other investments. Step 5. Learn to manage credit and debt. Managing credit and debt is an important step in addressing financial problems. This means understanding your credit score, managing your debt, and being mindful of your spending habits. It's important to be proactive about credit and debt management to avoid financial problems in the future. Step 6. Seek help if needed. If you find that you are having trouble managing your finances, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A financial advisor can help you create a budget, invest for the future, and manage your debt. Additionally, if financial problems are causing stress in the relationship, seeking couples counseling may also be beneficial. Step 7. Review and adjust. It's important to regularly review and adjust your financial plan to ensure that you are on track to achieving your financial goals. This means looking at your budget and spending habits and making adjustments as necessary. Financial problems can put a lot of stress on a relationship. But by identifying the root of the problem, communicating openly and honestly, setting financial goals and creating a budget, prioritizing saving and investing, learning to manage credit and debt, seeking help if needed, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, couples can work towards overcoming financial problems and achieving financial stability and security. Remember, financial stability and security are crucial for a happy and healthy relationship. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on relationship and self-improvement. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.